In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Fallout 4. Check my video description for this vortex download link. Once download done, double click on the exe and select yes option. Select install option. Once the installation is done, select finish option. And now go to games. Then search for a game. Find Fallout 4. Select the manage option in Fallout 4. Once you're done, go to mods. And now check my video description for this mod site link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this lowered weapons. You can able to see before and after. Once you download the mod, here it is, RAR file. Select the install from files option in mod manager and select the mod and select open option. And mod is enabled and successfully installed. Click on the drop down. You can able to disable and uninstall. This way you can install lots of mod for Fallout 4. Minimize this and launch the game. I will show you guys the results in game. And as you can see, the mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.